How to enable notifications on Shein application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to enable the push notifications on your Shein application, you do not have an option on the application itself. However, you can turn on the notifications on your phone settings. In order to do this, you will have to long press your application Shein. Once you do it, you will see different options. Go to app info and there you will see the option notification on top. Tap on it and make sure it's toggled on. Along with it, other services should also be toggled on. And this way you have enabled the notification. Likewise, if you also want to receive notifications via email, you will have to verify your email on the Shein application, and that way you should start getting the notifications. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.